Mabuhay mga comic book heroes! At welcome back po muli sa aming YouTube channel, ang Comic Book Hero Pilipinas. At oras na naman para sa panibagong weekly final order cutoff na may cutoff ngayon darating na linggo ng gabi, January 19, 2025. Halina't silipin natin kung ano-ano ang mga comics na available to pre-order. Punta na tayo sa comicbookhero.com. At sa homepage, hanapin lang natin ang Last Call Due Sunday or Last Call Weekly. Halina't simulan na natin. Umpisahan natin sa Absolute Batman number 5. Itong main cover ni Nick Dragotta. Itong Absolute Batman number 5 ay ang penultimate issue ng first story arc ng Absolute Batman, Ultimate Wolverine number 2. Ang pagpapatuloy ng 8 Deaths of Spider-Man sa Amazing Spider-Man number 68. From Image Comics, itong Transformers number 17. Ito ay ang main cover ni Daniel Warren Johnson. Dito sa Transformers 17 na ito ay may marireveal na bagong karakter. So we have a first appearance ng all new character. You don't wanna miss this issue. Itong Absolute Batman number 5, itong variant cover. Yan, meron ding another variant cover ni Ian Bertram. Ultimate Wolverine number 2, variant cover ni Lionel Yu. Aliens vs. Avengers number 3 of 4. Ito ang penultimate issue ng seryeng ito from Marvel. We have a new number 1 from Marvel. Itong Doom Academy number 1 of 5. Halina't silipin natin ang story nito. Did you think that Strange Academy would be the same in the world with Dr. Doom as Sorcerer Supreme? No, it is now Doom Academy, relocated from New Orleans to Latveria. The best magic school in the world just got better. It's the start of the second year for Strange Academy students, and you know that things will not go as planned. So ito ang Doom Academy number 1. Aquaman number 2. Main cover yan. Batman Dark Patterns number 3 of 12. Exceptional X-Men number 6. Itong Batman number 610 or 610 Facsimile Edition. Ito ang cover ni Jim Lee. Ito ay foil variant. DC vs. Vampires World War V Darkness and Light number 1, one shot. So ito ay one shot lamang. Halina't silipin natin itong story nito. Two sides of the same story shown here in one incredible special. Wonder Woman, child of Themyscira, turned vampire, and Alfred, butler of the Waynes, and turned Green Lantern. Their paths couldn't be any different, but for each a chance encounter will force them to re-examine what it means to survive in a world ruled by darkness. Ito ang DC vs. Vampires World War V Darkness and Light number 1, one shot. Distillery's new number 1, True Red Windows number 1 of 3. Yan, limited series lang po ito. Tingnan natin ang mabilisan ng story. One of the hottest writers in comics, Ram V, teams up with artist extraordinaire Joel Jones to tell a modern horror story that will leave you guessing until the bitter end. When an alien plutocrat, Harlan Roderick, invites his young protege Atul Lal to live at Roderick Place in downtown Manhattan, one Atul believes this to be his first step into the inner circle of the world's elite, soon turns into a living nightmare. Another new number 1 from Marvel, Weapon X-Men number 1 of 5. Wolverine, Deadpool, Cable, Chamber, Thunderbird together on their very own X-Team for the very first time. All new extra-sized first issue when a high-stakes mutant rescue mission from the ultimate global hotspot exposes a true enemy, possibly from within. An all-new team of all-action icons suddenly find themselves forged in fire. Yan ang Weapon X-Men number 1 ng Marvel. Fire and Ice number 4 ng Dynamite. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2024 number 7. Dito sa issue na to ay ang panibagong story arc. So brand new story arc ito. Incredible Hulk number 22. Next number 8. Laura Kinney Wolverine number 3. Action Comics number 1083 main cover. Green Lantern Core number 1. Ito ay ang variant cover ni Nathan Zerdy. Ito ang foil variant. Silipin natin ang story nito dahil new number 1 siya. The Green Lantern Corps returns with a brand new ongoing series. The Corps is back and just in time for the deadly new Fractured Spectrum saga to kick into full gear. Join the newly formed Green Lantern Corps as they head into the galaxy in order to stop Zorro and his master from creating a power battery. So ito ang Green Lantern Corps number 1. Ito rin ang aking napiling top cover para sa FOC week na ito. Yan, napakagandang cover. Nagawa ni Nathan Zerdy. Hyde Street number 4. Main cover ito. Yan ang first page. Meron tayong lahat-lahat ay 14 pages sa ating FOC week na ito. At ito mga comic books na ito ay may cut-off na Sunday, December 19. So make sure yung mag-pre-order na kayo. At ito ay may mga release date na February 2025 onwards. So next month ang mga release date ito. At may bago kaming update sa aming website. Ito ay ang aming Free Comic Book Day 2025 free comics na aming pamimigay sa May. So halina't tingnan natin kung ano-ano ang mga ito at mechanics kung paano makaka-avail nito. Punta lang tayo sa website at sa top ng website makikita nyo yung folder ng Free Comics FCBD. Click lang natin yan. Ayan. FCBD May 2025 wishlist. So ito ay wishlist. So ito ang mechanics niya. Get one free per 400 peso purchase. So for example, if you purchase 800 pesos worth of comics, you can add 2 FCBD comics to your cart. You can have multiple titles but limit 1 copy per title. Extras not adhering to mechanics will be removed later. Wish list only. So we will prioritize you in giving away FCBD 2025 comics in May, but no guarantees on some unpopular titles. So kung 400 worth of comics ang inyong bibilin, ay meron kayong isang libreng FCBD comic. Halina't silipin natin kung ano-ano mga titles na pamimigay namin, no? Ito ang Spider-Man Ultimate Universe number 1, merong Fantastic Four X-Men number 1, Star Wars number 1, itong Energon Universe Special, Godzilla New Heroes, Ironheart Marvel's Voices number 1, I Hate Fairyland Special, Critical Role Black Hammer, Transformers The Worst Bot Ever, Iron Man and Friends, Spidey and Friends, at itong Dark Find Your New Fear. At yan nga po ang FOC list namin para sa linggong ito. May cut-off nitong darating na linggo ng gabi, December 19, 2025. Huwag niyo po kalimutang i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe na rin sa aming YouTube channel at samahan na rin ng click na notification para updated kayo whenever we post new videos. At bisitahin nyo rin kami sa aming mga socials sa Facebook, sa Instagram at sa TikTok. Maraming salamat po sa muli ninyong panonood sa amin. Samahan nyo po muli kami next week para sa panibagong Weekly Final Order Cutoff. Hanggang sa muli!